Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Tezos is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys, nothing has changed pretty much since the last video. I wouldn't do anything at this particular moment with this pair. I mean, we are holding below a 200-day, a 20-day, 38% retracement, and a trend line. So an RSI is looking okay. So there's not much that you want to do to this pair at this particular moment. Now, as I mentioned in the last video, that we were gonna nothing to do, we're gonna break lower, and we did, and now we're just hugging the trend line to try to break above. Sorry, we are above the 20-day moving average. I apologize, but I mean, this is not looking. I mean, it looks okay, so I wouldn't do much. Right now, we have to pay attention to see what Bitcoin is going to do and see if Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin. Because if it does, and then stuff is going to rally all the other alts. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that trained me always said, hey, make sure you train somebody, and here I am with a YouTube channel trying to train the whole world pretty much. So that being said, guys, until we break and hold above $2.38 or so, I'm not gonna do anything. I mean, you do have a lot of potential to go all the way down to $1.61, and especially if everything goes to the pooper. So it's just from a risk to reward perspective, it's not there for me. I mean, if you were to go in right now, your risk will be terrible. Let's see what it would be. So to go in right now, you have to put your stop loss at about 162, and to make it 2-to-1, you'll have to put your target at about 3. If we go that high, you might as well just put it to 3, and your ratio is 2.31 to 1, which is awful. Now, this is the stuff I'm talking about, guys. Your risk to reward, your risk management needs to be on point. So if we were to go in at about 227, 230, and put your risk to reward, pretty much right below the trend line or so, look at this. Your ratio changes to 4, which 4, it's a lot better than 2. So that risk to reward checks out for me. Prior, no. So I would stand aside until stuff gets a little bit better. I mean, there's other, you can find other opportunities out there. You just have to kind of look for it. So nothing to do in this particular pair at this moment. And by the way, guys, we got a lot of requests. You guys were asking for private chat, so we did create a private chat. It is a paid subscription chat, but if you want me to hold your hand at all times, I can do that. I'll put the link on the description below. EC Crypto Pro. Go and check out the website. We can help you out with anything you need. I mean, like I said, if you need somebody to hold your hand at all times, that's probably what you need to do, at least for a little bit, until you get the hang of it, and then you don't need to anymore. And we're posting setups too, so which is great. There's not much that I can say about this pair right now, guys. I mean, like I said, we're just gonna have to wait and sit tight until a better opportunity comes out, because I don't feel like the risk to reward is quite there. Like I said, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.